Welcome to Mommy's the Chef, and today we're gonna make
pot roast.
Oh, my name is Heidi, and this is Anthony, by the way. Okay, so we're gonna start using 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Anthony's gonna sear these on both sides.
Ah!
No, put it in. Just put it in.
Should we put more meat in now?
Yeah, put it in.
Oh.
Okay, so we're gonna do 2 teaspoons of salt, and we're actually using 2 hot roasts.
That's like half a cup.
No. 1 bag of onions. 2 teaspoons of paprika. You can get closer. Oh. Paprika. 2 of basil. 2 of oregano. And thyme. Thyme is what gives it that delicious roasty flavor. 2 bay leaves. And 2 tablespoons of tomato paste. I'm going to add a little bit of a 1/4 cup of flour, and that's just going to bind our sauce. Okay. Oh, vegetables. Anthony's going to put in 4 onion carrots, 1 red bell pepper, and 5 cloves of garlic. We need wine.
Got it.
Okay. We're gonna add a whole bottle of wine, preferably red, but I lost my ingredients. They want to tell me wine. We're gonna use a whole bottle of wine, whatever you like. Oh, that's good. That's a big bottle. No, use a little bottle, not a big bottle.
Like a liter, dude.
Yes, don't. Okay.
What else? That's perfect.
So we're gonna let that simmer for a couple hours on low heat, okay? Okay, so I forgot an ingredient. Actually, I didn't want to share it. Okay, it's a secret. So just use a 1/4 cup of balsamic vinegar. And
Not a secret in your name.
I know, but it's okay. So that tenderizes the meat and it makes it sweet and it's just superb. Okay, you're gonna love it.
We all in?
We're all in, right? Okay, here's our pot roast. Thank you guys so much for watching. And by the way, those were pearl onions. And try to make my rice because it goes along great with this. It's really rich and delicious, right?
Yeah, that's good rice.
Thank you guys for watching. What do you have to say about Anthony?
Oh.
What do you have to say? What do you have to
He's
say?
single.
By the way, it only took 2.5 hours to 3 actually. It's super soft and moist.
He's single, ladies.